500 on the short, 535, 600 right there, baby. We are up almost 1,000 per con. Wow, I'm up 1,050 per con. Whoa! Final PT hit. Final PT hit. I'm out 1,400 per con. Did Big Daddy Max trade live, call his TPs, his entry, and describe that he wants SPX to pull back to 55 before it shoots back up? What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Big Daddy Morning Show. It's your boy, Big Daddy Max. It is July 10th at 9:30 in the morning. The market's officially open, and I'm with the one and only Mr. Llama Red Pajama. Big Daddy Llama, how you feeling?
Llama Red Pajama. Got some kielbasa for your mama. And I know Max voted for Obama. Now let's try to catch a dub today. I see price going up. Maybe I just jump in to buy here. Who knows? Let's see. What do we actually do here, Maxie? What do you think?
I literally haven't opened my chart yet, so give me a minute. Nice. I have no idea what the market even looks like at all. Okay. It's setting up for a short.
Setting up for, it looks like quite a dump percent. If it does wick out, I do see a kind of a little exploder, but I don't know. Screen, oh my god, you guys can't just get a fucking life nowadays. Fucking god. Jesus Christ, every day it's like, daddy, screen, daddy, please, I can't trade without your chart. Oh shit, whoopsie.
Screen me, daddy.
Whoopsie. Sorry, dumbasses. Whoopsie.
Yeah, I really like the short here a lot, Llama. I got some big confluence on FBX.
Shorting
I like
right now.
The short. I like the short here.
Shorting, but I'm just not too convinced on it. Like I really liked it, really did, but I feel like it's a fake. Like this is a fake.
Shit, it might be, player.
I feel like it's trying to fake me out, bro. What if I just,
I don't know. I feel like SPX needs to drop all the way down to like 55 to fill that previous day max Vaddy value. What's going on, chat? 1,100 degenerates in here.
Yes, hanging around.
1,100 degenerates in the chat. What are you guys even doing? Seriously, what are you guys doing here? What are you guys doing here? Welcome to the Big Daddy Morning Show.
Bro, Q's taking lows and ES is just hanging. Oh, I'm on the 5 minute.
Right.
Yeah, regardless, it's the same shit.
Yeah, the short is looking really good. The short's looking really good. I think
how's it's SPX look for you? Is SPX going? Because ES isn't really going like that.
Oh yeah. No. SPX isn't going.
Is it just hanging around? Because NQ's dumping right now.
NQ's dumping. I really like the short. I told you. I think I'm gonna let it ride until SPX hits 55. I want to see SPX dump all the way down, Llama.
SPX comes to play catch up. You can get a payday here. I would just hold this until 980, Maxie. Honestly,
yeah, I'm gonna keep holding it. I'm up like fucking 20 points already, 25 points. So I like SPX to continue moving and dumping, and yeah, I want to just see it keep going. Let's see a dumperson here.
Well, this like 980, Max. I think you're looking good here. ES has not even tried playing catch up yet.
Right. Let's see if we get a push through here. If we don't get any kind of retracement, I really want to see a newer low on this candle on NQ. That would be like the big, okay, we're dumping. If we get a newer low here without any wick up, this is like, okay, we're
dumping. A newer low. That's about NQ now. ES is trying to play catch up.
What's going on, everybody? I want to give a big shout out to our sponsor and our partner over at Trade FFF, Funded Futures Family, baby. One of the best props in the game. They got the best deals always with code BDM, like 1 day to pass. Make sure you check them out. Trade FFF.
There it goes. Newer low with no wick up. Very, very bearish. Future Strat 2, absolutely printing. Future Strat 2, absolutely printing right here. Gonna keep letting it ride. I want to see SPX come all the way back down to 55. Keep going, little daddy. Keep going. There we go.
Did you say little daddy?
Yeah, I was talking to NQ like that because I'm Big Daddy. So NQ right now, since I'm his little daddy. Any previous candle body high, I'm gonna get out. So if this candle flips or any candle or the next candle makes a high, I'm out. So I don't want to be in a short for too long. Just like that, I'm out.
Types on the chart that we are all gay.
All right. I mean, hey, listen, 1 contract, 2 cons scaled. I just took profit on the cash accounts right there. We're green, 640 on the cash accounts. 5 minutes into the day, I made $640 on one cash account. I still
You need to get rid
like
of all
the
these
short.
balloons.
I still like the short a lot until SPX gets down to like, to be honest, 53 to 55. 49 to 55 would be my like, okay, we may start to see an uptrend. So I'm going to be patient. I'm going to log out of this cash account now, and I'm going to switch into another cash account because all I trade in cash accounts all day.
All right. Price is gonna get interesting here. There might be a nice scalp presenting for you guys here. I don't think I would take it, but ES still sitting all the way up here and NQ popping back over these lows. This is gonna be the next area of interest. This little lows right here. We want to see if this support turns resistance and it dumps, or if we break past and then it just rips up. Really just need to see what happens here. And is itchy, bro. You know what's weird, Max? I woke up in Mexico with this part of my hand like bruised right here. I don't even know how that happened.
Bruised?
Yeah, it was like fucking bruised. Like I feel like I've been getting abused that night.
You think
Maybe there's ghosts in my crib and they try to fuck me.
You think she's hitting you?
Oh, I forgot. What if she's abusing me?
What if who? I'm sorry, who? I was distracted by something you said earlier. You said something. I haven't heard that. What did you say? I got a little distracted.
I said, what if my girl's abusing me?
Yeah, but you said something right after that. It was very quick. I just couldn't. What did you say?
At domestic violence, homie, 187, middle of the case type shit.
Listen, if I was your girl too, I would be taking out and I would be taking it out on you in the middle of the night too. That's when I would be hitting your ass. Seriously, I'd be hitting your ass right then in the middle of the night. So
That sounds a little crazy when you say it though.
I'd be hitting you. I hit you in the middle of the fucking night too.
I'd hit you in the middle. That sounds just like a little.
Sometimes I just want to say the hard R, but I don't. You know, you gotta have restraint. That's the key. Sometimes you gotta have restraint.
I feel that.
And you say, don't let those impulsive moves stop you out. Really, don't let those impulsive moves stop you out. Sometimes I just want to be like, you fucking dirty, nasty ginger, right? I want to say ginger with the R, but I don't. I say, so, you know, you got to have restraint. That's what it's all about.
Right.
I'm back in the short.
Are you? I mean, bro, this little support here looks like it turned resistance. It's holding, but this is just a scalp. I'm just not a fan of like.
We're in a range.
And this could go for like 50 points. It's not bad. It's not a bad trade. It really isn't.
We're in a range, and unless SPX rips above 62, 60 previous day's close, I don't really see a reason to get out of the short. I really don't. Well, right now it's giving me a reason to get out. Right now, just Max, I hate you, dog. Whoa. Why do you hating on Big Daddy Max? Seriously, what did I fucking do?
He didn't think that you were talking about G word. He didn't think you were talking about the G word.
What other word would I be thinking about?
You know, there's a few of them.
Right.
Hey guys, I'm new here. Can someone tell me, please, what kind of steps they follow to prepare the charts before hopping on the call? Thanks.
Yeah, I literally was playing League of Legends, the reason I didn't turn my camera on until 9:29 was because I was on the toilet with the BGs. Of course, I had my pre-market dudins. I had to take a pre-market shit. And that was really just my pre-market today. League of Legends, Crankathon, you know what really pisses me off? You know what really pisses me the fuck off? Like, why does sometimes I fucking gotta wipe my ass like so much? You know what I mean? Like sometimes it's just like
I feel that.
Like sometimes I wipe my ass and I'm like in shock. Like, okay, there's nothing there. Sick. Like we're good to go. One and done. How come sometimes my ass is just fucking absolutely covered in shit? Seriously, what the fuck is that?
Like
even
hot dog hamburger, get a new wipe, hot dog hamburger.
I got a 3P, but what the fuck is that even about, llama? Like, how does my ass like get it all over the place sometimes? And so I'm sitting there just wiping, and I'm like, what the fuck is going on? And secondly, why is my ass not like a dog's ass? Why can't I just cut it off? Why don't I even got it clean? If I'm a perfect fucking form of the Almighty, you're telling me that someone up in the spiritual world has got to fucking wipe their ass 3 times and that there's more shit than other times? Seriously? Well, like, why can't I just cut it off like a fucking dog? I don't get it. I'm up 200 a con here. I'm up over 200 a con. Move your stop loss. Move your stop loss down to break even. Move your stop loss down to break even. Definitely put your stop loss at break even. because I have bidets in my new shit. Where do you guys see the bidet I have in my new house? Llama saw it. Where do you fucking see this thing?
It's a literal ass cannon. Like it's actually quite impressive. The bidet he just got. Yeah, it has warm water. It warms the seats. It even massages your butt cheeks while spraying warm water gently into your rectum.
Right. Very it does a bunch of crazy stuff. Now listen, if we make a newer low on SPX here, we got a confirmed lower high and market structure downtrend to the downside with a pretty good looking drop here. And I'm still going to stick to my guns that I think SPX needs to tank all the way down to 49 to 53 or 55. Seriously, I think it needs to pull back. So, but I really like where it's
I want to see
right
price go to 970, and then I'll be looking for buys from there. But I really got to see what happens here. Honestly, I'd rather sit around and wait and not play none of this dog shit ass chop and actually talk about how Max likes to wipe his ass profusely than take trades.
Right. Oh, that's a nice dump. I'm gonna probably scale into that wick right there. Double wick tops. If that's one of my favorite candlestick formation, double wick tops. If this candle closes around the previous the previous candle's body, I'm gonna scale into the short. Let's see what happens here on this candle. I really like that double wick. SPX pumping and Q showing a lot of relative weakness right here, a lot of relative weakness. So if SPX rejects on this next candle, get ready for the dump. Get ready for the fucking dump, Llama. It has a long way to go.
Impressive here. Let's see. I think you can catch a solid 50 points out of this joint.
I'm telling you right here, boom. If SPX gives up this 58, then NQ is done for. NQ is done for if this gives up 58.
And bro, even the wicks aren't even making newer highs, but ES, look at ES, or I don't know how SPX looks for you, but ES is making newer high on candles, and this is just hanging around on NQ.
SPX hasn't.
If you're here, I know you love the orb as much as I do. And that's why we came out with the Max Options Trading Orb Indicator with a little bit of Max's sauce so you can get the best entry possible. Check out the Max Options Trading Orb Indicator today.
It's testing previous candle high. NQ showing that weakness. NQ showing that weakness, boy. There goes SPX.
I need to get rid of these balloons, Max. I have like 400 balloons sitting next to me.
You gotta pop them. You gotta pop it. You gotta pop them. You gotta pop them and put them in a trash bag. You gotta pop it. You gotta pop it. You gotta pop it. You gotta pop the balloons. I'm gonna pop them. Today's sponsor, Funded Future Family. Great deals. Oh, what about the deals we got today? Let's take a look at that. Apex extended theirs. So did Funded Future Family. We got deals all the way out for the rest of the month, really. This is going to be a fucking epic month for all of these deals. The Big Daddy Morning Show is live. Make sure you guys check out Funded Future Family. Right. 1 day to pass plans. 1 day to pass plans. No activation plans. Basically the most curated plans to any traders in the game. Best evals in the game. FFF. Tap into FFF. Lock and load. Look at NQ. Relatively weak as hell. I'm up 275 on the short. 275 on the short. Just holding this range as my stop loss. If this is a treasy down, we are about to get paid. And we do have divergence. And SPX is ripping, NQ is lagging.
None of these
we just need SPX to show one red. We need to show one red, and we are getting paid. Getting paid over here. Chang.
It looks like ES is hitting mid. I hope it doesn't cross. Yeah, ES is at midline, and NQ's following to bottom. This could be confluence for a number here. Could be confluence. There's the NQ breakout.
There we go. NQ, I'm up 400. I'm up 485. I'm up 485, 500 on the short, 535, 600 right there, baby. And we're letting it go. I'm getting ready. I'm going to trim my first short profit. Honestly, I think I want to hold this to like 13 or 15. So about 7 or 8 more points. I'm going to look to take profit around.
Bro, hold on NQ until fucking, 780 trust.
I got a couple cons. I got to trim. I got a couple out there
trim, but like hold it though.
First trim is going to be at 2213. First trim is going to be at 2213. SPX ripping while NQ dumps. This is serious divergence. SPX needs one red candle, and we are gonna get paid. SPX
yeah. That's what I'm about to say. If ES or SPX gives one red candle, bro, NQ is gonna fucking go to Pound Town.
NQ's fucked. NQ's fucked. For you guys complaining about Top Step, I'm not surprised. Top Step X dog shit is fucking around. You guys gave up on Trade Evade. Is crazy work. Boom. Hold on. First price target. I'm up 785 on the second short of the day. Moving my stop loss down for one con all the way to 26. Here we go. Oh, it bounced 1 penny off. It bounced 1 penny off. It bounced SPX, you little bitch. It bounced 1 penny off.
Little dirty.
I had my stop at, I had my take profit at 13. And if this is a treasy continuation down, if SPX flips here, I am going to scale into the short.
Yeah,
I'm going to scale.
It's got a 3-bar here, though.
Here we go.
He just kind of a wick and flip. Nice. Now it's going to be a cook.
Boom, baby. Who the fuck is crushing these shorts with Big Daddy Max? Big Daddy Max. Big Daddy Max.
You know what I was thinking, bro? I think I'm gonna get one of those mics that's like comes, it's like on the desk, not like one of these. Like,
did you just say you wanted a mic that came to your mouth? That's what you're about to say. That's what you're about to say. No, I know what you use.
No, that's not what I meant. I meant like what was it? I was gonna say something gay. I just don't remember what it was.
You said you want a mic that comes to your mouth.
No. Not what I was gonna say.
No, that's what you said.
Mic holder. I don't know what I was gonna say. Dildo mic.
You want a handheld mic,
right? Something like that.
NQ is dragging ass while SPX is
finally broke midline. This can get dangerous here.
What's up, everybody? Big Daddy Max here. Imagine if we simplified trading for you to where blue means up and purple means down. Well, that is what the quantum shift indicator does. If you're not going to do one and done like Big Daddy Max preaches and you want to scalp all day long, at least be smart and use the quantum shift indicator. Simplify your trading and be successful today.
Need ES to try to break back under and then it can get aggressive. But right now, ES over midline is scary for me.
Bro, NQ is dumping. I have no confluence to get out. If SPX rejects this midline, here we go. Here we go. SPX reject that fucking midline. Boom, baby. Here we go. I'm up 875.
Right back.
First price target hit 470 a con. We're up 470 fucking dollars per contract and holding
here, Max. Hold till 970, 980.
Stop loss is going to be at the top of this candle now, which is a guaranteed 200 in profit.
Trust me.
Stop loss at the top of this candle. We're up 570 a con. We're up 600 a con. Here we go. Over 600 a con right here. Keep holding the short. Keep holding the short. Oh, 700 a con. Oh, dare I say, Big Daddy Max is having so much fun on his fun little fucking show. This is my fun little fucking show. I make so much fucking money. I make so much fucking money. No one makes as much fucking money as me. Nobody makes as much fucking money as my Daddy Max. Nobody makes fucking money. Whoa, we're up over 800 a con, and we are rolling. I'm going to move that stop loss all the way down to the previous range, 22. That's a guaranteed 377 per contract, and we're holding. We're up 900. We broke ORB. We broke ORB on SPX. If we hold below ORB, we're holding all the way to 53. Big Daddy Max said we're going to go down. SPX going to go down to 55.
What's on 980 into the partial?
Oh my God, we are rolling. We're up almost 1,000. We are up almost 1,000 per con. Oh my fucking God. SPX testing the bottom of ORB. We need SPX to break ORB. Break that shit. Break that shit. Big beautiful bounce there, but we're going to give it time to bounce. We're going to give it time to bounce. You guys can take TP whenever. It's not financial advice, but you can definitely take TP whenever you guys want. Whenever you're happy with the profits, you guys can take the profits.
Super partial area for me here.
Oh my God.
What did they use for confirmation to enter the trade? Oh, Ruby, don't worry. We can do a direct one-on-one call, just me and you, completely free after the call. Don't worry about it. I'll explain everything to you after this. Almost said the
2 more eval pass. Congratulations. Another eval pass. Congratulations. Guys, take profit whenever you fucking want. I am going to TP out at 377.50 in profit. That is going to make my total for the day now 3 trades for 3 trades, and I'll be up over 1,300 on the day. 1,300 on the day, and why fuck around? Find out. You keep fucking around and find out. I could wait for another. SPX. Now, what you want to see here, this is very advanced, but what you want to see here with so much relative weakness on NQ is you want to see SPX go back to midline orb and fail, or right below midline orb and fail. Because what's going to happen is SPX is going to recover its move, but NQ is not going to fully recover its move. So if SPX gets up to that zone and fails again, NQ will make a newer low because of the relative weakness.
Exactly,
and that's why you want to hold that with conflict. Damn, I shouldn't have been teaching shit. Shit, I'm giving out some real chickity dickity dickity.
Giving out some real.
Giving out some real dickity dickity dickity.
Let's see, Max. I mean, damn. I was dirty. That's literally what I wanted to see, and then you're talking, and then you're just kind of saying it. I'm like, that's kind of gay.
Donye
with the 6 bands, like Jesus Christ. Donye, I have like a serious question without getting too much into your business, but like, how much have you made since trading with us?
I want to get into her business. I want to get real. I want to get into that.
She said a lot. LOL. Fuck, that's so nice. Donnie don't want to come up, bro.
She don't ever want to come up. We've been telling Donnie to come up for fucking months, and she won't come up. Come up, Donnie. Come up.
She came up.
Don't be darking us. Ooh,
guys, if you want to know some truth,
I'm up 900 a contract now.
Screenshots.
I'm up 900 a contract. Boom. Newer low on NQ here. But did you guys see exactly what I just said about the failure? And then
here we go. 780.
Low?
I'm going to be looking for buys around this area.
Wow. I'm up 1,050 per con. I'm up 1,050 per con. And we're moving. We're moving. Here. Whoa. Final PT hit. Final PT hit. I'm out. I'm out 1,400 per con. 1,400 per con. I'm out. I have reason to believe it may bounce and go long.
I'm looking for buys around here. I'm gonna see if ES could break back in, I might get one in light. And then if I see more confirmation, I'll probably scale in heavier. But I think just if ES breaking back in, I'd probably get one.
I just fucking snapped. And I talked about what we gonna do. And we did that thing. Let's check all the boxes, Llama. Did Big Daddy Max trade live, call his TPs, his entry, and describe that he wants SPX to pull back to 55 before it shoots back up?
I do recall that.
Did Big Daddy Max enter the first short at the beginning of the day using Future Strat 2 and take profit on one cash account, one and done, and then move on to a second one? Did Big Daddy Max enter a second short based on multiple confluences that we were going to go down to my initial thesis, in which we absolutely crushed it, filling an inefficiency left by yesterday, which is called the max value gap and the max value gap indicator? Did Big Daddy Max fully take profit, totally up $2,700 for the day using only 2 contracts and fully calling my TP price targets and stop losses out for all of you guys? Is there 1,228 motherfucking people who just made bank in the Discord 100% for free on the Big Daddy Morning Show with Big Daddy Llama and Big Daddy Max?